wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best gluten-free cookbooks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, Gluten-Free Baking Classics is a godsend for those who can't live without their baked goods. It's great for every skill level and will let you enjoy usually taboo foods like multigrain artisan bread without worrying about a bad reaction. It answers commonly asked questions and teaches how to make your own flour. However, some of the ingredients are hard to find. At number 9, Gluten-Free Girl is all about reinventing classic comfort foods so you can still enjoy your favorite dishes from before. It shows you how to create meals that might have seemed impossible to make without gluten, like bagels and tuna casserole. It includes a history of American cuisine and is filled with fun anecdotes, but some of the recipes are complicated. Coming in at number 8 on our list, Wheat Belly isn't just about creating tasty dinners. It's also a guide to living a healthier lifestyle while helping you attain the body you've always wanted. And if you love to host, then you'll appreciate the special occasion dishes that even wheat eaters will enjoy. It contains nutritional information and a sample 14-day menu. However, the meals are expensive to prepare. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gluten-free cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, one of the staples those with dietary restrictions miss the most is sandwiches, which is where gluten-free artisan bread comes in. It teaches bakers how to whip up everything from crusty French baguettes and regular loaves to donuts and sticky pecan caramel rolls. It requires very little preparation and breaks down safe and unsafe foods. But for vegans, it offers no substitutions for eggs. Moving up our list to number 6. It can be hard to find recipes for gluten-free baked goods that are moist and flavorful, but Cooking Light hits the mark. What's more, all the usual no-nos like cookies and muffins are low in calories, so you can enjoy them guilt-free. All the recipes are from scratch, and it includes a lactose-free conversion chart and a glossary of gluten-free flours. Halfway up our list at number 5, Weeknight Gluten-Free offers a variety of options that are quick and easy to prepare, designed specifically for busy people who still need to eat healthily. It helps you fully transition into the lifestyle with recommendations on how to organize your kitchen. It features great ideas for using leftovers and meatless dishes too. It's excellent for beginning chefs. At number 4, Living Gluten-Free for Dummies is a practical, no-nonsense guide to adopting a GF lifestyle, with step-by-step instructions and an explanation of related medical problems. It even offers suggestions on how to not just get your kids to eat gluten-free, but to enjoy it too. It's very easy to understand and explains how to decipher food labels. It includes advice on restaurant eating too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Gluten-Free on a Shoestring contains 125 budget-conscious recipes and is ideal for college students who don't have a lot of income but still need to cater to dietary restrictions. It also helps you calculate how much money you save by cooking instead of buying each meal. It's imaginative in variety and includes meal planning strategies, along with tips on finding affordable options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gluten-free cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Against All Grain is written by a self-trained chef who created recipes for her own battle against an autoimmune disease and decided to help others do the same. It's available in a convenient stay-open spiral-bound edition. It contains vibrant photos and doesn't use any refined sugar. It caters to the paleo diet too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, in addition to supplying home cooks with 2 thorough grocery lists and 154 sweet and savory, grain-free, low-carb recipes that are simple to prepare, Eat Happy makes a point of showing readers how easy it is to whip up healthy meals that cater to their lifestyle. It features a casual and relatable writing style and an abundance of photographs. It eschews artificial sweeteners. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gluten-free cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video.